Hello, world. Welcome back to another beautiful day. And yes, we are riding from Tabo to Mudh village in Pin Valley. But before heading to Mudh, we have another place to visit, which is Dhankar Monastery in Dhankar, not so far away from where we are right now. We started a bit late today as we had to dry few of our clothes in Tabo. And that's not the only reason. It was also because we have only 82 kilometers to cover today. But with almost no roads at few stretches, it is surely going to take at least half a day to reach Mudh village after visiting Dhankar Monastery. However, no complaints made because I am enjoying all of these beautiful mountains around me. And I hope you will too. So stay tuned. As the saying goes, it's not about the destination but the journey and the friends you make along. And we did. These young people were driving a Land Rover Discovery all the way from Mumbai. But wait, this is not the only time we bump into each other. We did that more often than what you can count with your fingers.
I'm feeling okay for it in the kingdom.
The roads to Dhankar got much worse, and it was after reaching there that we realized that it was totally worth every turn we took to make it there. Unfortunately, there is not much footage of the monastery for you guys, as I had to swap my batteries. But don't you worry now, there will surely be a next time. Just one more thing. If you guys really like to take a look at the photos at Dhankar Monastery, you can always take a look at the Melvin's Instagram page in the video description below. Trust me, you will be stunned. After Dhankar, it was now time for next half of our journey to Mudh village. With only hope for roads to get better, which did not, we continued along the sides of Pin River. The sun started getting scorching hot, but then the cold, dusty breeze did help balance the heat. And all along my way, I couldn't shake the thought of my head about how this place could have looked when it's fully covered in snow. We passed through some small villages along the way with lowest population you would ever see at one place.
freedom. I'm still looking for it in the heat.
The time was around 3:30 p.m. and it started getting cold already. But we wanted to cover the next 10 kilometers as soon as possible because the mountains started covering the sunlight. And some of the water crossings had roads built over them which saved time and our strength on this bumpy ride. I did tell you that we'd bump into the Discovery again, and we did. We made it to Mud village at around 4:30 pm, and after booking ourselves a sweet place to stay in and with whole evening ahead of us, we decided to go for a trek. And the best part about today's trek is that we have a local guide with us. Her name is Whitey. She accompanied us all the way up the mountain and stayed and posed with us till we finished with our photo shoot until we came back down. After dinner, and to my surprise, I got another chance for stargazing, and this time with many shooting stars. Did I make a wish? Yes, I did. If you ask me, will it come true? I don't know. Some of these stars shining bright might not even exist today. After all, isn't the universe full of mysteries? I'll let you think about it and see you all very soon. Cheers.